Have you ever wondered what happens to your body after you eat a meal? Let's dive into the fascinating world of metabolism. When we eat, our body enters a fed state with increased insulin levels. Insulin regulates blood sugar by helping glucose enter cells for energy, promoting glycogen synthesis for storage, and enhancing protein synthesis for growth and repair. However, it also promotes fatty acid synthesis and storage, contributing to weight gain over time. After fasting, our body enters a post-absorptive state where glucose is released into our bloodstream to maintain blood sugar levels. Our liver can produce glucose from non-carbohydrate sources through gluconeogenesis. Meanwhile, stored fat in our adipose tissue is broken down into fatty acids and released into our bloodstream for energy through lipolysis. But what happens after a prolonged fast, such as during a period of starvation or extreme calorie restriction? In this state, insulin levels are low and lipolysis becomes the predominant process. Adipose tissue releases fatty acids that are used as the main fuel source for various tissues, including the liver, muscle, and brain. The liver still produces glucose through gluconeogenesis, but at a reduced rate compared to the post-absorptive state to minimize muscle breakdown and nitrogen wasting. Metabolic processes are regulated and connected. They depend on factors such as health, activity, and diet composition. You now understand what happens after a meal or during fasting.